Be slick, use a Streetlight 1000 watt full fixture on your next grow. I'm Craig, I'm from Nutriculture, and I'm here to tell you about Streetlight 1000 watt full fixture lights. As you can see in front of me, there are two variations, a fixed reflector and an adjustable one. Now both are designed to work the same but with one slight difference. If you're working with a 1000 watt fixed shade, you're going to want to keep that a little bit higher. The adjustable one means that the light's dispersed a little bit more, so you can get that close to your canopy should that be something that you're looking to do. Now they are fully adjustable because of the ballasts. They go from 650 watts right up to 1150. As you can see, it's simply a case of turning these dials that will allow you to do that. Both fixtures come with lamps included, and they both take double-ended lamps. Streetlight full fixtures come with a 3-meter long cable as well, so if you have been looking for something that will give you that little bit of flexibility to plug your light into your contactor over a longer distance, then Streetlight has got you covered. So both of these fixtures come with German manufactured aluminium shades, which are going to give you maximum reflectivity. You know, these are really a great, affordable, effective grow room lighting piece of kit. So if you're looking to get close to the canopy, Streetlight 1000 watt full fixtures are available with a wide reflector, and it's as simple as this to open and close. Remember, if you are looking to open and close it, make sure that the light fixture has been turned off and is fully cool before you touch it. Each fixture comes complete with hooks for easy installation into your grow room. The design of the ballast allows air to move along and around it to keep it as cool as possible. Streetlight 1000 watt full fixtures are adjustable, highly reflective and perfect for a range of growers. And remember, be bright, grow with Streetlight. Visit our website at nutriculture.co.uk, or if you want a brochure sent direct to your door, visit nutriculture.co.uk/brochure download.